Hi children. Now we are going to see in chapter 7 menstruation exercise 7.2 questions 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exercise 7.2 7th question. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is 4:7, find the ratio of their volumes. In the question, ratio of the radii of two spheres given, they ask you to find out the ratio of the two spheres, ratio of the volume of the two spheres. Okay. Solution. Let R1 and R2 be the radii of two spheres. That is, R1 is the radius of the first sphere. Let R2 be the radius of the second sphere. I had written in the same single sentence. Let R1 and R2 be the radii. Plural form of radius is radii. Radii of two spheres. What is given? Ratio of radii of the two spheres is given. No. That is, R1 is to R2 is equal to 4:7. That is given thing. Ratio can be expressed as a fraction. So, R1 is to R2 can be written as R1 divided by R2 equal to 4/7. Let it be equation number 1. What we want to find? The ratio of the volumes. That is, ratio of the volume of the two spheres. Let V1 and V2 be the volumes of two spheres. Ratio of their volumes is equal to V1 is to V2, that can be expressed as V1 divided by V2. So, directly I had written as a fraction V1 divided by V2. What is the formula to find out the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube, isn't it? Now, V1 means first sphere, volume of the first sphere. V2 means volume of the second sphere. Volume of the sphere formula 4/3 pi r cube. This is the general formula. But while writing the volume of the first sphere, in the place of r we have to substitute the value of the radius of the first sphere. So, what you will get? 4/3 pi r1 cube. Radius of the first sphere is r1. So, r1 cube divided by v2. v2 means 4/3 pi. What is the radius? r2. So, r2 cube. 4/3 pi r2 cube. So, in the numerator also we have 4/3. In the denominator also we have 4/3. 4/3, 4/3 get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. So, what is the balance? r1 cube divided by r2 cube. Am I correct? R1 cube divided by R2 cube. So, in the numerator also the power is 3, the denominator also the power is 3. So, we can express as a common power, that is R1 divided by R2 whole power 3. R1 by R2 value now only we found, no children. What is the value? 4/7. So, 4/7 the whole cube by equation number 1. So, 4 into 4 into 4 64, 7 into 7 into 7 343. That is, V1 is to V2 equal to 64 is to 343. Now, we found the ratio of the volume of the two spheres. The ratio of their volumes equal to 64 is to 343. This is the final answer. I hope you understand the sum, children.